Alright guys, check it out, Honda Civic 2022 and up. This is a 1.5 engine turbo. On this series of video, we're gonna take out this whole engine with the transmission all together. So you can see, I got all the front bumper, impact bar, rad support, the rads taken out already. I had a video of those. Check it out on my channel. This is a continuation on this. So you can see on the other side right here, and I have another video, the cowling and the wiper arm, wiper blades, and the wiper motor is out. Check out that video if you want to see a DIY. So now let's start working on the engine. Let's go. Alright, so you can see everything on the front here is all gone. We'll start working with these hoses right here, all these ugly hoses. We're gonna start taking out this big fat connector, this harness, and disconnect this couple harness right here from the fuse block. The fuse block and the ECU stay on the vehicle. This whole harness will plop over on top of the engine. And we're gonna be working around behind the engine, hoses, vacuum lines, fuel lines, harness, same thing on the other side, and to the driver's side. Here's a tip right here. If you've been working on this before, or somebody been messing around, that line, that dot right there, it lines up to this line right here. That's how you line up this bent hose going down to your rad. Same thing on the upper hose right here. This dot, it will line up to that arrow right there. So I cracked this open already. There it goes, loose. Take that out. Same thing on this side. Rock that out. Charge pipe right here. This is loose already. Let's take that out. Alright, let's start working on this side right here. There's two big fat connector going to the ECU. Just grab a flat screwdriver. Just kind of jam it right there. And then this piece will go over. And then same thing on the other side. Go over like that, disconnect. There you go. And then down here as well, this big fat connector. There's tabs, the gray one. Just lift that up. Same thing on the back, lift it up. Alright, there you go. There's a lot of this push pin retainer here that needs to come out. Alright, work your way up here. This is a negative cable. Alright, there's two wire right there. Take out those two bolts. I believe those are 18 mil, but I can't find mine. I'll just use a 5/16. It's almost the same. Alright, rock it, take it out. There's only one way this thing goes in. It doesn't go on this side because the bolts that it doesn't line up. It only go one way. See, it's stuck now. It will only go this side right here. This tabs right there, only facing forward to outside. Same thing on the other side. Tabs will facing on the other side. Only go one way. We'll put the bolt back in. Alright, 10 mil right here on this ground bolt. Alright, there's two tabs right there. 1, 2. Let's push that out. Alright, we're almost there, guys. We're almost there for this harness. Lots of push pin. Alright, this thing. It's another ground right here. Transmission mount. Alright, this will flop over just like that. Alright, positive is next, and then we'll take out this bracket. All right, so you can see all those 10 mil bolts right there in the middle of the plate. Those are coming out, ready to go. And then the side right here, there's two sides. Those are 12 mil. There's one over here as well, 12 mil. And there's one more on this side. We'll take that one out later when we have room for the transmission. All right, guys, so next step, I'm just gonna take out this hoses back here, vacuum lines, and then 2 heater hose. So this is loose already. Took out the clamps already, right there. It's all loose right here, and one more right there. I took it out from this side because it's easier instead of taking out that clamp right there. So this one is out. The tools that I need is just a couple basic one right here, and then this is a retainer trim tool, hose clamp tools right there. This is the best right here. I'll put the link down on the side on this video to get one if you guys want one. And heater hose, the clamp is out already. Heater hose right here. Oh, and then this is the second one right there. I'll just use this little angle pliers right here. Just gonna spin it, rock it, just like that. There you go. All right, just look around back here for anything that attached to the engine and transmission. There's a shift cable right here. Is the last one, I believe, on this side. And then work your way to the back. And then this side is next. All right, so let's clean up a little bit right here. Let's take out some of these hoses right here, the reservoir, and this piece right here. Let's clean up. Let's move some of this couple hoses on the side, and then we'll take out this engine mount, and then we'll be working on this side as well. This is still connect together. This is pressurized. This is a condenser. After we take out the serpentine belt, I'm gonna take out this AC pump right here, disconnect the wire, and then we'll swing it over on this side so that we have lots of room to work on this right here. And then we're gonna take out the under shield next, and then the wheel, both sides, axle, and then we'll pull this whole engine out. All right, so all these bolts right here, they're all 10 mil. I'm gonna take out this reservoir first. More 10 mil right there. Let's quickly take them out. All right, we'll take out the hose all together. Just gonna quickly show you guys how to take out this serpentine belt. So the tools you need is a 19 mil socket, a flex ratchet, or a flat bar meant for the serpentine belt remover. So it's flat like that, and then it's skinny, you know. So we'll put it right here. And then we'll move this bar forward, down, and then it will reduce the tension. And it's time to take out the belt. So you can see, obviously, there's no front bumper on this. So it's gonna be hard for some of you guys to do it. You can work your way up to the top right here. It's pretty easy. For some people, I guess it's hard. If it's tough like that, you have to take out this engine mount so that you have lots of room right there. That's it. Belt is out. We're gonna swing this condenser over here. I got the loose pipe is right here already. Everything is loose. Disconnect that bolt out. Same thing with this side. We're gonna take out this AC pump so we could swing it over so it's not on our way. Okay, so this one here will be at 1, 2, 3, and 4 bolts, and they are 12 mil. Obviously, make sure to take out the serpentine belt first before you take this out. All right, one more right here. This one is a 10. Disconnect the wire at the back before you pull it out. There you go. Like always, I always put the bolt back on here so that whoever wants to work on this next time, you have the bolt to use it. Alright guys, so I tuck it in the AC pump right here. This is the best way with no tension on the hose and the pipe. Okay, not much tension, no kinks, so just leave it like that for now. We're gonna be working here on these engine mounts to take it out. And back on the front, on the driver's side, we'll just double check, make sure nothing that is attached. The shifter cable right here, we're gonna be taking that out. But first, we'll take out this charge pipe right here. This is to the throttle body back there. We'll take this out quick. All right, so two connector right here, detach it from those two sensors. Vacuum hose right here, detach it from this piece. There's one inside right here, 2 bolts, and then 1 bolt clamp right there, and this plastic piece will come out. All right, this is the bolt right here for the clamp. There we go. All right, so this down here will be exposed. We'll be working on the shifter cables next, but first we'll take out this wire. It's on the way here. We'll just move it on top of the engine. So this is the shifter cable I'm talking about. There's a ground wire right here, 10 mil and 12 mil right there for 2 brackets that holds the cable down, and then there's a pin right here that we're gonna take it out. This is on neutral right now. This set up on neutral. Doesn't matter. All right, so 10 mil for ground, take it out. And 12 mil right there on the bracket. Clip pin right here. We need to push this thing out so we could take out this shifter cable out. Just gonna use a flat screwdriver, pull that out. All right, guys. So the cable is loose here. The bracket is loose. Now we'll take out this pin on the tip. Just pull it out, just like that. And then this cable is out. Look at that. Just like that. It's all nice and clean here. Nothing attached to the transmission except the mounts and then the CV axle. The back is clean as well. Nothing attached anymore. It's all disconnected back there. There's a ground cable right here. Need to take out that 10 mil bolt. Serpentine bolt is out. It's all nice and clean. Perfect. All we need to do is take out the exhaust underneath here, and then engine mount, tires, CV axles on each side, and this whole thing is ready to come out.